tonight I mean continent. Welcome to a special edition of the report, again with a hard T at the end because this bear is taking no prisoners. Tonight, we quickly run through the last 5 years of trauma that those northern Mexicans south of Canada have gone through after nearly half of them accidentally elected a poo-flinging orangutan known as Donald J. Trump. So let's start off with a special impeachable edition of Bird. Tonight's bird is Golden Pheasant. That's an actual photo. Continent, the biggest surprise isn't that this bozo got impeached, screwed the pooch on COVID crisis management for a whole year, left the economy in shambles, managed to be only a one-term president, or even that Trumpism has replaced laissez-faire as the absolute worst management style ever. Continent, I'm still gobsmacked the Republicans ever let him put in his candidacy. I mean, shouldn't there be a more difficult test to run for the President of the United States than there is to prove you're not senile? Yeah, that's it. That's the bit. I really just wanted to share this pic of the bird that looks just like him. And that's tonight's Bird.